Hi, welcome to the 3D pendant. Christmas is almost here. Time to deck the halls with 3D pen. A few weeks ago I posted this video on how to make necklace pendants. And as you might remember, I have mentioned the pattern for these would double up as fun Christmas ornament, or any occasion ornament for that matter. We just need to make a few minor adjustments. So let's look at those. Draw your daisy in a bunch of radiating sizes, or just get this one from the 3D pendant Etsy store. The work surface matters a lot. This one is a piece of plexiglass sprayed with matte acrylic finish. And the details are in my 2 surface videos, linked in the description below. So check it out if you need to. And, as usual, make sure the pattern doesn't wiggle on you while you are drawing. Trace the sizes you are planning to use. I recommend skipping the really small ones on the last page. Those are more suitable for earring production, unless you are making a miniature Christmas tree. Alternatively, you can work on a turntable with a central wire, which is way more comfortable and has the added advantage of producing parts with the center hole already built in. But if you don't have one, you can always drill the holes later, as you will see. Vary the pattern as you see fit for the occasion. Here is a star variation if you want more Christmassy feel. For the purposes of this demo, we'll make the simplest pattern possible. Just single lines radiating from the center. I will add a couple of lines in between to fill in the space where there is some. As you work, there may be quite a bit of plastic accumulating in the middle, but that's okay in this case. We will iron it with the wood burning tool with the button tip between 2 layers of Teflon sheet, or you can use parchment paper for this if you want to see through it a little bit to check what you're doing. Make sure to wait until it cools down enough to release from the liner. This will strengthen the middle and give you a flat spot to drill a hole in the center. If you made the parts on the turntable with the wire in the center, you can skip this step altogether. We'll need one of the largest circles and 2 of all the other sizes. And then we'll need a head pin, otherwise known as a rivet, made from a straightened piece of filament, and possibly a few little jump ring washers. These are entirely optional. I just like to give the ornament some additional height. If you need to know how to go about making those, there is a jewelry findings video you can refer to. The link is in the description below. All there is left to do is to put it all together, using a little piece of cardstock paper on each end to stabilize the stack. I am using a commercial eye pin in the middle to hang it all on, but you can also make one of your own out of filament, as you will see in the findings video. I just think the wire will show less in this case. Once it's all on there, all you need to do is to seal the other side of the head pin with a wood burning tool and a piece of parchment. Cool it enough to release, and then remove the cardstock stabilizers. We are done. While I was filming this project, I got a few requests to make a star that would work as a tree topper. So in the next video, we'll look at how to scale up this project and mount it to the treetop. And until then, go and make something.